Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing very simple but healthy recipe Aloo Palak. There are two variations, and today I'm making the dry version of Aloo Palak, which I make at home. And this homemade version of Aloo Palak uses minimal spices, making it so comforting. So let's go and make it happen. So I take a heavy bottom pan, heat some oil, then I'm adding whole red button chilies. I crack few and left few whole. Then I'm adding whole cumin. And then I'll cook this mixture for like a minute. And then I add some cubed potatoes. Now I'll start cooking until potatoes get very nice color, like a fried color on them. And then to avoid any burning and to cook our potatoes, we need to add a little bit of water. Then I'm adding some turmeric powder and some salt, and I then cook them until all potatoes are completely tender. Now it's time to add our spinach. You can add spinach earlier as well, but I don't want to lose any nutrient of my spinach, and I don't want my spinach to be overcooked at all. So I add the spinach and mix the spinach with all the spices and potatoes very well. Then I will cover and let the spinach cook until it's wilted, and it won't take more than 4 to 5 minutes. Now spinach releases its water. So on a high flame, I will cook until all the extra water dries out from this gravy. Now it's time to add a dry fenugreek leaf, kasuri methi. I add that and then mix until everything is fully combined, and your aloo palak is ready to serve. It's one of those recipes which is healthy and quick. No onions or tomatoes are required in this recipe, and you can make it any time of the day. And if you're trying this at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.